All right, here we go. This is an exit ticket that we recently had in class, and I definitely want some of you to be thinking about this a little bit more deeply. So the question is, where is f of x increasing and concave down? So increasing, right? Remember f of x is increasing if f prime of x is greater than 0. So right away, my candidate spots are this chunk right here and this chunk right here. All I'm given is a graph of f prime of x. I am not given a graph of f of x. Right? This is all my background knowledge. And f of x is concave down if f double prime of x is less than 0. Ooh, spooky. All right, here I started to do this problem a little bit earlier before I started to record. Let's just look at this f of x. I've got a, b, c, and d all labeled. Here I see f of x, and let's just treat this as I have a function. I'm going to graph that function's derivative. I know from a to b, f prime is increasing, so I'm going to label a and b. And I know that I'm increasing up until b. And then from b to c, I am decreasing. Therefore, this function in front of you, the derivative of f prime will be negative. And then after after c, f prime is increasing. So f prime's derivative, f double prime, will be positive. Now that's very easy, right? That setup is very important. This background information and understanding, we're looking for where is f of x increasing and concave down. So I need some interval where I am both positive up here, but down here I need to be negative. Well, I'm only negative on this chunk, right? Because that's where f prime of x is less than 0. And the only spot where those two conditions are both met at the same time is this chunk from b until 0. That's the only spot where f prime of x is greater than 0 and f double prime of x is less than 0. Now the key here, I think, is recognizing, deciphering this question, right? F of x increasing and concave down. Instantly, you see the word increasing or decreasing, you should think f prime of x is increasing if f prime of x is greater than 0. You all have that written down somewhere. And you all have written down f of x is concave down if f double prime of x is less than 0. And I know that we can take a function and graph that function's derivative. We just need to make sure that we are reading this question very carefully. All right, here's your bonus question. Something good will happen for you if you get the bonus question right. Let's graph f prime of x. Let's make that a little bit more straight. Here's your bonus question. Where, let's make this A, B, oh, you don't need C there. Yeah, just A and B, because then you have from A to B, you have from negative infinity to A, from A to B, from B to 0, and then from 0 to negative infinity, which is where this thing stops. Where is f of x decreasing and concave, that's spelled right, down. And again, something good will happen if you're one of the people that volunteered for this extra work and you bring this in correctly. And this block is over. Bye-bye.